Good morning. It's a very early morning. It is 7. I've been up since I think 6 o'clock. I had to warm my truck up because it is 28 degrees outside. We are heading to Stoopicold, which is at the Lander Center, which is about 30 minutes away from Memphis. This is, I think, if I'm not mistaken, the 10th year of Stoopicold in Memphis. It hasn't always had drifting at it, but it has for, I don't know, the past 5 years or 4 years or something like that. Got the enclosed, and S14 is running great. It's doing really good. Finally figured out all these little small issues. It's time to rip this thing. I did a test hit yesterday, and it usually boosts around like, I think 14 or 15 psi, hit 22 because it's so cold outside, and man, this thing rips. I'm very excited to drive with the boys, Team Streak and everybody else, and let's get to it. We got a little bit of a drive, and we'll see you there at the track. All right. Goodness, y'all are fucking wild. First lap out in the sea since the 240 broke, and almost a pile up. Good shit, fellas. Good fucking shit. Good shit.
So close, shit.
Nice.
Not bad.
Nice. The sunglasses, when we were in that smoke, I couldn't see anything.
Yeah. I was going to say, I was having a hard time and I had a clear lens.
Day two. As you can tell, I'm not in a 240. There's a long story with it. It's not happy. I just honestly should have street drove the car some more and made sure everything was okay, but you know, life gets in the way. You get busy with stuff, don't have time, but it happens. So we're heading to day two. Should be a little warmer than yesterday. The weather's not looking the greatest towards rain, but make the best of it. I'll have some drifting here in a little bit. But thank you for sticking around and watching the channel, and thank you for like everybody that's helped me the past like day or so. Like one of my friends was staying in town, they're about to leave the house, and I was already at the track, and I was like, they called and they're like, do you need to bring anything? I was like, please bring my other car. 240 is not happy, it's doing dumb things, but I really appreciate it, and thank you for people that got in the car for ride-alongs and checked out the channel and stuff. I really appreciate it. But yeah, let's get to Lander Center and do day 2. Give me a wet one. Yay. Also won this Griproyal limited edition wheel as a driver promotion. Nice. Good save. This could not. Oh man.
Oh.